everyone, it's Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Can you look outside? It is pouring down raining. This is the Monday before I leave for the boat. But I gotta go vote. So I gotta do that early voting because I'm gonna be out on the boat. So I gotta brave this rain. Of course, rain follows me everywhere. We all know that. Oh well. I ain't sugar. I ain't gonna melt. And I don't want to hear about shit floats in water, okay? Anyways, so I don't have to go too far. I should be in and out real quick. So, see y'all in a bit.
Salad? That's not lunch.
Each year, thousands of seasonal travelers suffer from a condition known as SNS, more commonly referred to as stinky nomad syndrome. The good news is that there is a cure. Visit herosoapcompany.com today and help batch end the scourge of needless funk, while also helping veterans in need. Just pick your soap and enter batch at checkout for your discount and help a vet today. It's that easy.
I did you a favor by fixing your vehicle. You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years, and it means a lot. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing this.
Well, I arrived, and of course, masks are required, and due to the fact this is October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I've got my Breast Cancer Awareness mask. Covers everything, and I gotta wear it. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Well, I'm all done voting. Yep, I voted. And yep, we all know who's gonna win. Sorry, y'all. But there was a line in there. They all voted. We all were just talking. No, so, yeah, we're in Kentucky. We all know who's going to win. Sorry, y'all. Be back in a few. Guess what? I got mail. Hold on, I'll show you who it's from. It's from Lola. And guess what it is? I may not be going to Lollapalooza, but I'll show you what it is in just a second. I'm going to tell you right now, she taped this sucker up good. Okay. I'm trying to open it up. There we go. Ooh, I can't wait to see it. And she sent me stickers. One from last year and one from this year. Cool. Thank you, Lola. Hold on. She ain't gonna toss it at me like she did last year. Okay, where's the opening? Is there an opening? No, they're all pretty sealed up. Cool. Let me lay it up here and I will show you. Hold on. It's a t-shirt. Oh, I love it. BlindViews, you did a beautiful job on that, on this one this year. That is a great job. Y'all have an awesome time without me. And just to let you know, hold on, I will show you. I'm keeping the rain here. Okay? I promise I'm not going to send this to you. I'm keeping it here just for you all. Hey everyone. Well, it's dark out. Yep, it will be dark at 4:30 in the morning, 4:30, quarter to 5 in the morning. I'm here at the place where pick up the crew van. I already dropped off all that luggage up front. Now I gotta go sign in my vehicle so they don't tow it while I'm out on the river. I haven't had that happen yet. Knock on wood. Anyways, so I got a little bit of a walk because I had to park way in the back parking lot. So yes, badge. I disconnected my battery. Getting tired of having a dead battery. Badge told me just to disconnect it, so I do. Anyways, I'll catch up with you in a few. Be right back. Yep, people, there's my luggage. As you can see, I've already got my backpack in the van. Crew driver's already here. I already got my stuff in. We're waiting on a few more people because we're early. Well, we're waiting on our boat. It's going to be at least an hour and a half before they get here. We're down here at the boat ramp. It's going to be done by skiff. I'm going to see if I can fix the pocket camera so to where I don't have to hold it while riding on the skiff. But check this all out. In front of me. I'm switching the camera around. This one was feeding all these seagulls. She's talking to them and everything. Oh my gosh. I guess she comes down here and feeds them all the time. But this is the area. Let's see. I think that's south that way. So I think the boat will be coming from that way. But this is the part of Illinois. Look how low this water is. I was told that boats are getting stuck everywhere. So it's gonna be fun. Turning around. Look at this one. It has freckles on it. Can you see it? Little brown flecks all over it. All the others are white. This one's got freckles. Hey everybody, guess what? Tugboats are also crew change boats. I'm on a tugboat. Let me turn this around. Yeah, it looks like it. That should be it right there. right there.
What's that guy's name up there? That's Stud? Yeah, hotel. That's Stud?
Who is it?
I think it's Stud.
Probably is.
Like 70.
Oh, no. Thought you weren't going to ride on this boat again.
You got suckered.
Yep. You got suckered into it, huh? Hi, kiddo. How you doing?
Good now.
Yeah, I know, right? And by the way, look at all this luggage. I ain't the only one that packs a lot. Alright, gotta stop this up. I'll get back with you. Okay. Whoa. I look a mess. So, I was sleeping in the van. So, my pillow kind of messed up my hair. Well, I'm on the boat. I just found out my captain is got to go to another boat tomorrow. Unfortunately, they can't find a captain over there for that type of boat. See, each of the captains, they're I want to say sanctioned for different types of boats, going to different types of areas. So, unfortunately, he is one of them that is needed on another boat, and they're going to be sending another captain tomorrow. Or it could be the pilot that's on here now may switch over to the captain's side. I haven't met this pilot yet. But I will at supper, maybe, if he comes down to eat. But if anything, I'll meet him by breakfast. But I'm on the boat. The room hasn't changed. It's still the same. But I've got my theme table. Alright, people, thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscription button. Then click on that bell too. Do that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Introduce yourself. I will respond to you. To all my supporters, I appreciate each and every one of you, and you know that I love every one of you as well. So I'll either see you up the river, down the river, or on the road. You all have an awesome day. Bye bye.